Hi friends, this video shows how to run OpenClaw WebSocket gateway locally. So first we need to stop default OpenClaw service, gateway service. This is the command OpenClaw gateway status. First let me check the status of default gateway service. It says it's running. So let me stop. Okay, done. So after that I am going to run OpenClaw WebSocket gateway locally. So you can use this command OpenClaw gateway -- port, then the port number. Enter. Okay, done. So this way we can start this gateway service locally. So if you want to run this service in verbose mode, let me exit from here. Just press Ctrl C. Then here we need to add verbose. So this way we can run this gateway service in verbose mode locally. See, it's running. So it is very useful. So if there is an issue, you would be able to easily debug. So you would be able to see live log here. Next I will show you how we can go back to the normal mode. Just exit from here, from this verbose mode. Just press Ctrl C. Then just run this command OpenClaw gateway start. Then check status again. Done. See, now you can see the status running. Now it's running in normal mode, default mode. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.